Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your country in the Trandyol app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu, then tap on deliver to, and from this table we can select our country if we find it here. And yeah, just tap on it. The app is going to refresh, and that's it. You can change it how many times and to whatever you want to. It's like this. Deliver to. And that's it. And then the app is going to know if some items are available in your country. It's going to show you that, but if they are not, then obviously it won't show you those items. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.